Hello friends, this is Christy with Christie's Connections, and I'm bringing you a very quick, easy laundry deal in today's Christie's Quick Deals video. Alrighty guys, this is a super easy deal, and I'm also going to show you how to use the Dollar General app to make sure this deal is going to work for you. So let's get into it. The first coupon you're going to need is this awesome little gem that we got this morning. This is a 3 off $15. We're going to refer to this as the back to school, the 3 off 15 back to school, because that's what the coupon says, so that you don't get it confused with our normal 3 off 15. So if you have not clipped this, head on over to your Dollar General app and make sure you have this digital clip. And let's chat really quick about what this digital is. When you spend $15 in certain categories, and they are stationery, paper, home cleaning, and housewares, you will automatically save $3. So that is what that coupon is. Awesome coupon. Super happy that we got that through the night. So for this deal, you will need to clip that. And the next digital you will need, you only need two. So the 3 off 15 back to school, and you're also going to need this $2 all or Purex coupon. So clip both of those coupons, and then we're going to head to the store. Once you're in the store, you're going to get the large Purex liquid laundry detergent. Now this is the Morning Burst. It is $9. It is 128 ounces. Now this is what they look like. There are other scents that are available. You need to grab 2 of these. Now if you cannot find this scent, I'm going to show you how to see if another scent will work for you. To find out if another scent works, you're going to want to scan that in your Dollar General app, and here's how we do that. Open your Dollar General app. Once you have it open, the first thing you want to do is click the lines up in the upper right hand corner. Then you want, in the little window, to scan the UPC or the barcode of the product, just as shown right here on the screen. Once you scan it, it will pull up the product description, normally a picture of the product and the price. Scroll down and it will show you which coupons attached to that product. And as long as you see this $2 Purex and this 3 off 15 back to school coupon, you are good to go. The next thing we are using to do this deal is the Purex, and all the Snuggle items they do have an instant savings this week. When you spend $15, you automatically save $3. So let's do the math on this. Okay, when you buy 2 of the large Purex at $9 a piece, your subtotal is going to be $18. The $3 instant savings when you spend $15 will come off. That will make your total $15. The 3 off 15 back to school will come off, making your total $12. And then the $2 Purex digital will come off, and you will pay out of pocket $10. But we are not done yet. Okay, so over on IBOTTA. IBOTTA is a rebate app, and it's an awesome one you definitely want to get if you are a couponer or trying to coupon. We do have this awesome $1 Purex rebate. We're going to redeem that 2 times because we bought 2 of those. And after that, your out of pocket for 2 large Purexes will only be $8 for 2 or $4 each. All right, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. I hope you liked this deal. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It certainly helps my channel. And you all have a wonderful afternoon. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.